Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel and I want to say I appreciate all of you for your love and your support. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're making a delicacy. This is what I used to have when I was much younger, when I was a teenager, about 35 years ago, I think. We used to crave for this. We used to love this. Is cow foot delicacy. And do you know that cow foot is really essential for the body? It contains the most abundant protein, and that protein is called collagen. Collagen is very good for your skin, for your hair, for your nails. It gives you a very soft, beautiful skin. And collagen is found in cow foot. Do you know that? Okay, now you know. So just run to the store and get some cow foot so that you have some collagen. So to prepare this into my pot, I just put some already cut up and washed, cleaned cow foot pieces. And now I'm adding some salt to it and rosemary, basil, and water. I tend to keep it simple here because I'm going to be making a sauce for this. So feel free to add some onions, add whatever seasoning that you like. It's up to you. So I'm just going to keep it simple. And right now I'm sending this to cook for as long as possible. If you have a pressure cooker or instant pot, this will work very well. So right here I have some frozen tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onion. Right now I'm just slicing all of them. I'm slicing the scotch bonnet pepper, as you can see. So like I said, collagen plays an essential role in the body. Collagen occurs throughout the body, but it's mostly found in the tissues, in the bones, in the skin, in the tendons, and the cartilage. So right now, I just put a pan and a little bit of oil, and I'm adding some onions because it's time to make the sauce for the cow leg. And that cow leg has been cooking for a long time. When you use instant pot or pressure cooker, it doesn't cook for long, but when you are cooking it directly in your pot, sometimes you tend to cook it for like 2 hours to soften it. Right now I just added some curry. As you can see, I added a lot of onions because I really want that onion flavor. And now I just added the scotch bonnet pepper and the already cut up tomatoes. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And I'll keep stirring as it's frying. Right now I just added some paprika. So feel free to add all as much seasoning as you want. I just added some paprika. And then salt, Salt tends to bring all the flavor together. And finally, my nut cube, I'm going to be adding that as well. So I didn't put too much salt here because I already put salt when I was cooking the cow food. And I'm going to stir that. And also one more thing, collagen is the glue. If you don't remember anything, remember this. Collagen is the glue that tends to hold the entire body together. Is the glue that holds the entire body together. Imagine that. So we all need collagen. So if you need more, go grab some cow food, cook them and chew on them and chew the bones too, if possible. Now it's time to bring in our already cooked cow foot pieces. So I'm just going to stir that in the sauce that I already made, and I'll just let everything marry each other. I'll allow the sauce to go into the cow food pieces, and I'll let that sit there for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes. And this is the after effect. Look at that. So saucy and so yum. So this is presently on the very low heat. So I'm letting this sit for a long time. Look at all those onions, all those peppers. And it's all done. Well done, guys. We all cooked this together. So at this point, I want to say a big thank you to all those of you who keep coming to watch my videos, to all my subscribers, followers. I really say a big thank you to all of you, and I appreciate you all. Feel free to like my videos. Don't forget, give these videos a thumbs up if you like what you see. Share my videos among your friends and loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't, and follow me. God bless you. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.